Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G9 Plus and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it. And for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. By tapping on this button we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the capture settings, and here we have the assistive grid option. So by using this button we can turn it on and turn it off like that. This is how it works. For now let me keep this turned on and let's go back to the camera preview to see the grid lines. As you can see, it shows us these lines. This is useful when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography and make experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the right corner at the bottom to the gallery, we can't see them at the real picture, so these lines are only to help us taking better photos. And of course, when we don't need this, we go back to the settings in the right corner, slide again to the capture settings, tap on this option. So for now this is turned off and now the grid lines have gone. So that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and give the thumbs up.